Come test drive the 2015 GL-Class. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a 7-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, height, electronic parking brake, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, air suspension, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, driver attention alert system, airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, one-touch windows, 4. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.